Hello! Thank you for your interest in our Garima pipe beveler. This portable, easy-to-use, and versatile tool applies bevels on tubing and pipe ranging from 3 to 12 inches in diameter. The maximum bevel width can be up to 3/4 of an inch. It can process aluminum, carbon steel, and stainless steel grades. The pipe beveling fixture can be combined with 3 of our handheld beveler drives, the electric SMA40E and SMA50E, and the pneumatic SMA40P. When you purchase the pipe beveling fixture, you receive a handheld beveler along with it. Customers that already have one of the above-mentioned SMA bevelers can add the fixture to their existing hand unit. Please watch our portable beveling tools video to find out more about the capabilities of the handheld tools. The bevel angle is determined by your choice of milling head. The SMA series of handheld bevelers offers a wide variety of angles and radii. All of the available milling heads can also be applied to the pipe beveling fixture. The 3 most common angles on pipe are 30, 37.5, and 45 degrees. Also available is a milling head for facing operations. If the cut of the pipe is not straight and clean enough, this tool allows you to clean and straighten out the end of the pipe prior to applying a bevel. Be aware that due to the opposite way the pipe beveler is applied, the angles are reversed from the hand tools. For example, to apply a 30-degree bevel on a pipe, you need the 60-degree head of the hand tool. For 37.5, you should use the 52.5-degree head, and so on. 45 degrees remains 45 degrees. Mounting the hand beveler onto the fixture is easy. Remove the guide plate unit by removing 3 screws, any additional screws if applicable, and the rubber O-ring. Put them aside so you have them handy when you want to use the unit as a plate beveler again. Once you have removed the parts, slide the appropriate spacer ring over the neck of the machine, and then insert it into the opening of the slide and clamp it tightly. You can reset the levers by pulling them out a bit to tighten the grip. Before mounting the fixture onto the end of the pipe, set the clamping rolls to their appropriate position to accommodate the correct pipe diameter. Loosen the handles and pull them up and out of the recesses and slide them to the necessary position. There are markings that indicate the diameter size to make it easier to choose the correct position. Once the handles are in the correct position, tighten them. By lifting the handle a bit, you can reset it to assure a proper grip. The next step is to make sure that the slide is in the upper position before you put the fixture around the pipe. It is important to make sure that the milling head does not have contact with the pipe before the machine is turned on. Open up the 2 upper roll carriers to assure that there is enough play to slide the fixture onto the pipe. Next, slide the fixture onto the pipe. Make sure that you slide it all the way forward and that the end of the pipe is firmly against the back wall of the fixture. The back wall has hardened glide strips embedded in it to protect the unit from premature wear. If necessary, take a look from the other side to verify that the milling head has enough clearance from the pipe. Once everything is in position, tighten the knobs of the roll carriers so that the fixture is firmly attached to the pipe. Be aware that the roll carriers are equipped with spring sets to allow for a bit of travel. They are meant to compensate for slight out-of-roundness, ovality, and variation of wall thickness. They also allow rolling over small weld seams, although it is advised that thicker weld seams be ground off first before applying the beveler. For a quick test, rotate the beveler once around the pipe to make sure that there are no unexpected obstacles. Now the unit is ready. Turn on the motor and gradually lower the slide until you feel the milling head making contact with the pipe. From there, lower the slide by the amount of your desired bevel depth. If you have multiple parts of the same size, You can set a backstop against the slide once you have reached the desired depth. This allows you to easily reset the cutting depth for the next part. While doing all this, hold on to the fixture with one hand to keep it in a steady position. Now gradually rotate the fixture in a steady counterclockwise motion around the pipe. Once you are done, move the slide up, turn off the motor, and loosen the roll carriers to pull the fixture off. The bevel is clean, consistent, and burr-free. Imagine having to do this with a grinder. Most Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 or smaller pipes can be beveled in one pass. Wider bevels of up to 3/4 of an inch require a second pass, or, depending on the material, multiple passes. Garima bevelers do not create any respirable dust, and their noise level is much lower than that of a grinder. Also, the Garima bevelers do not induce any heat into the pipe. All the heat is removed by the chips that fall to the ground. Compared to the conventional grinding or torch cutting processes, the Garima pipe bevelers are 10 times faster, consistent and precise, less hazardous, easier to operate, cause no heat induction, and include a plate beveler for free. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Thank you for watching. Please contact us at www.shmusa.com or call us at 859-331-8770.